So you're a design thinking expert. How does design thinking and innovation intersect?
Thank you for the question, Priska. Yeah, these are the questions that many people even ask me during my programs and workshops and all that. So yeah, design thinking is a systematic, non-linear, I would say, I'm going to stress it again, a non-linear approach,
Mm,
right, of mindset change and thinking to solve a human being's problem. I would
mm,
say in design thinking, be human thinking because you solve people's problems. Now, what's innovation? Innovation is the outcome of design thinking. It's the result of design thinking, right? So do not solve a problem if there's no problem.
right. Yeah.
Right? We always think about innovation. Let's innovate something. Let's come up with the most brilliant idea, right? But then what problem are you trying to solve? So don't try to come up with solutions and ideas if you don't know whose problem is it at the first place.
Right.
So to look at this, design thinking is a non-linear systematic approach. I would say I call it divergent and convergence. You need
Yeah.
to keep creative thinking, critical thinking, right? And that's design thinking, designing for a human being. It's a non-linear approach. I'm not going to go to the details or steps of it today,
Yep.
but what's the difference of that is hence the outcome of design thinking. It's, I would say, innovation, not merely invention. Yeah, Friska, invention is you can invent something, but it doesn't solve a problem. It's merely invention. But
Yep.
innovation means it brings value. I would also say add this word, unique value proposition to your customers, to your users. And that's innovation. The outcome of design thinking is actually innovation, coming up with brilliant idea, but people go like, oh dear, I didn't know it, and I'm going to pay for it. And that becomes, wow, that becomes unique value proposition. That's the difference. And that's the